Hello, in this video we're gonna check if HTC Desire 22 Pro has a stereo speakers. So to check that, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and on top there's nothing. There's a phone call speaker right here. On the bottom we can find one speaker, and on the right nothing, left nothing, back nothing. Now we can play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. But clearly sound is coming from the bottom source only, and that's a mono speakers on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.